Hello and welcome. Let's get straight into something that can truly shift your reality. It's simple, yet incredibly powerful, saying, I am. When you say, I am, you are aligning yourself with the creative force that shapes your world. This is not just a statement, it's a declaration of your power. The words, I am, are not just empty phrases, they are a doorway to your manifestation. Every time you say, I am, you are telling your subconscious mind, your higher self, and the entire universe exactly what you are and what you claim for your life. It's a tool that is available to all of us, yet many don't realize the immense potential behind it. The truth is, the faster you claim what you want through the power of, I am, the faster you will experience it in your life. You see, the universe responds to your self-identity. What you believe yourself to be, that is what the world reflects back to you. For example, think about something you desire, whether it's abundance, love, success, or health. The moment you say, I am abundant, I am loved, or I am healthy, you are stepping into the version of yourself that already possesses those qualities. This is where the magic happens. It's not about waiting for external circumstances to change, it's about changing your internal state first. I am is a declaration of belief. It's saying, I already am what I want to be. You don't need to see it to believe it, you need to believe it to see it. The act of claiming your desire through, I am, causes your subconscious to align with that reality. From there, everything else begins to shift to make that desired state your new truth. Think about it, when you declare, I am, you are not asking for permission. You are stating a fact. The universe doesn't question it. The universe only reflects back what you are, not what you hope to be or what you think you might be. It responds to the energy of your words, to the belief behind them. If you say, I am poor, the world will reflect poverty. If you say, I am successful, success will appear. It's that simple. The universe is like a mirror, it reflects what you give it. You may ask, but how can I say, I am, when I don't see the results yet? The answer lies in understanding that your external world is simply a reflection of your internal state. You create your world by the beliefs you hold and the words you speak. Every time you say, I am, you are reprogramming your mind to accept the truth of your desires as a present reality, not as something in the future. The moment you affirm your state of being, you open the door to that state materializing. This isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about allowing the truth of who you are to emerge and be reflected. The key to getting it faster lies in the consistency of your I am affirmations. The more you affirm, the more the universe has no choice but to align with your true self. The faster you say, I am, with belief, the faster you'll experience the manifestation of those words. The process of manifesting through I am is immediate, but you must trust in its power. Trust that by declaring something, you have already set the wheels of the universe in motion. If you keep repeating your affirmations, eventually you'll see the shift. The universe will begin to rearrange things to match your new identity. It's like a magnet pulling towards what you have already claimed to be true. Many people often say, I'll believe it when I see it. But this is backwards thinking. To truly manifest what you desire, you must flip this idea around. You must believe it first, and then you will see it. The I am affirmations help you do exactly that. They are not simply words, they are the beginning of your new reality. Now, let's take a moment to truly understand the depth of this power. When you say, I am, you are tapping into the divine creative force that exists within you. You are a co-creator with the universe. Every thought you think, every word you speak, and every feeling you have shapes your reality. By claiming, I am, you are asserting your right to create the life you desire. It's not enough to say, I am, without belief or feeling behind it. The words need to come from a place of knowing. When you speak to them, do so with the full confidence that you are already that which you are declaring. Feel the truth of it deep within you. Allow yourself to embody the very essence of what you are claiming. When you do this, you are aligning with the energy of your desire. There is no room for doubt when you use the I am affirmation. Doubt weakens the power of your words. It's important to shut out any negative thoughts that try to creep in when you declare something. If your mind says, "But I don't feel abundant," remind yourself that your feelings are part of the illusion. You are not your feelings. You are not your circumstances. You are the I am. Every time you say, I am, you are asserting your authority over your life. You are claiming your power as the creator of your reality. This declaration is more than just a habit, it's a way of life. If you want to see changes in your world, start by changing your thoughts and words. Remember, there is no delay when it comes to I am. The universe operates outside of time. It only knows now. As soon as you speak, the energy is sent into motion. The key is in your ability to hold the belief and trust in the process. There's no need to force anything. The more you trust, the faster it comes to you. You may encounter challenges along the way, and that's perfectly normal. Challenges are part of the process of transformation. They don't mean you're doing something wrong. They are simply opportunities to strengthen your belief and to reinforce your I am. Each challenge you face is a step closer to embodying your true self. The beauty of I am is that it's so simple yet so profound. It doesn't require years of study or deep understanding. All it requires is that you speak the words with intent and belief. When you claim I am, you are setting the course for your life. The universe responds to your command. The more you say, I am, the more you are conditioning your mind to accept that the version of yourself you desire to be already exists. It's not about becoming someone new, it's about stepping into the truth of who you've always been. When you make this shift in your thinking, the world around you changes to reflect that inner transformation. But here's the thing, saying, I am, requires consistency and persistence. You cannot expect immediate results if you only affirm it occasionally or without belief. You must make it a regular part of your thought process. Every time a negative thought or doubt enters your mind, counter it with I am. Every time you encounter a challenge, affirm I am in the face of it. When you consistently affirm your truth, you'll notice that your circumstances begin to change. The power of I am works because it cuts through all the layers of doubt, fear, and disbelief that we often carry. It allows you to focus solely on what you wish to experience. Now, take a moment and think about what you truly want. What are you waiting for? What is it that you desire to bring into your life? Whatever it is, begin today by saying, I am, and claim it as your reality. Don't wait for conditions to change, because conditions change when you change. And when you say, I am, you are changing your entire world. You can have anything you desire, but it starts with your I am. Say it, feel it, believe it, and watch as the universe responds. It's all within you, right now, waiting to be manifested. The faster you believe it, the faster it will appear. You have the power within you to create anything you desire. Start now by saying, I am, and let the universe unfold to match your new reality. I hope you've realized the power you hold with each declaration of I am. It's a tool, a key to unlocking your greatest potential. Don't hesitate to use it. Say it often, say it with conviction, and watch as your world transforms. The universe is always listening. The question is, what are you saying? So, step into your power. Say, I am, and watch how quickly your reality begins to shift. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. The moment you align with the truth of who you are, the world will begin to reflect that truth back to you. So, claim your power today. Say, I am, and believe in the power of your words. The results will speak for themselves. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. But with patience, persistence, and unwavering belief, the reality you desire will manifest. The key is to continue speaking the truth of who you are and trust that the universe will bring that truth to life. Your world will begin to reflect your inner state, and you will see the results of your affirmations. If you found value in this message, I encourage you to take action today. Start saying, I am, and believe in the power of those words. You hold the key to your destiny. Please take a moment to like this video if you found this message inspiring. Your support means a lot, and it helps us reach more people with this empowering message. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay connected and receive more powerful insights like this.